How does lightning actually strike, and what causes it? Discover the shocking science behind one of nature's most powerful and mysterious forces. Lightning begins when storm clouds build up electrical charges. Inside these clouds, tiny ice particles and water droplets collide. These collisions generate static electricity, pushing positive charges upward and negative charges downward. This separation of charge creates an electric field strong enough to cause a lightning strike, as nature tries to balance the charges. When the electric field between the cloud and the ground grows extremely strong, it ionizes the air, turning it into a plasma path. This path allows a massive electric current to flow rapidly, creating the bright flash we see as lightning. The strike can travel from cloud to ground or between clouds, seeking to neutralize the charge difference. Lightning tends to hit the highest points in an area, such as tall trees, buildings, or even people. Your body's conductivity can make you a target when standing alone in an open space during a storm. That's why safety experts warn to avoid open fields or isolated tall objects when lightning is near. Understanding how lightning forms and strikes reveals the incredible power of nature's electrical forces. Next time you see a storm, you'll know the invisible charge buildup and the sudden lightning flash are nature's way of balancing energy. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.